Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today, we are going to talk about managing our breakpoints. We want our websites to look as good on a tiny smartphone as it does on a massive 5K monitor. That's why we need to master breakpoints. These are the specific screen widths where your design changes to fit the viewer's device. Let's dive in. At the very top of your editor, you'll see icons for desktop, tablet, and mobile. These are your primary breakpoints. Clicking between them allows you to see exactly how your layout shifts and scales as the screen size changes. The cascading rule is one of the most important secrets in Wix Studio. If you change a font color on desktop, for example, it will change on the tablet and mobile modes too. However, if you make any change on mobile, for example, like that, it stays on mobile only and it won't affect your tablet or desktop sites. This allows you to create a unique, thumb friendly experience for phone users without affecting your desktop masterpiece. Need to design for a specific device or an ultra wide monitor? Click the three dot icon here and click on Add Breakpoint. To add a custom breakpoint, you can set the exact pixel width you need, ensuring your site is pixel perfect for every possible site visitor and no matter what device they're on. Managing breakpoints is the key to professional responsive design. It's all about making sure your brand looks its best no matter how it's being viewed. That's all for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.